guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign Autism Awareness Month. Autism. So my left hand or non-dominant hand is out in front of me making a loose C shape. Then with my right hand or my dominant, it's going to be facing up like this, open. And then as I'm coming toward my hand, I'm going to close it and put it in. Autism. Autism. Awareness. You're going to bend your hand and just touch your forehead a couple times. Awareness. Month. Left hand is going to be static. Right hand, come down. Autism Awareness Month.